value of z satisfy the given equation. So this z, if we take here 2z minus z is equal to -1, so z is -1, so we solve it. It's so simple after solving the calculated part. Now, question number 2. Whenever you have, these are called word problems. Whenever you have this kind of question, difficulty is coming just for the language barriers, since we are not the United States students. After understanding the question, the mathematical, I don't think so it's difficult. Just understanding and creating an equation or modeling, we say, to model the problem. This is important. So a television with a price of $300 is to be purchased. So I know that the price of the television is $300. Okay. And it said initial payment. What does it mean? When you go to shopping center, you pay $60. It says $60 at the beginning. So what is the remaining one? 300 minus 60, which is 240. So you will pay this 240 with monthly basis probably, or weekly basis. Let me read. And weekly payments, weekly basis. Weekly payments for $30. So I will pay $30 each week. So when I look at the alternative, WW probably it will be week, but let me read the question. It can be used to find the number of weekly payments, W. Yeah, it says. So which one of the equation? That's it, finished. So I am paying at the beginning $60. So remaining part, I will pay each week. So which equation gives this one? A, B, C, D, when I check it, it is, I think, C. So finished. That's it. Simple. Now, question number 3. Yeah, this is important question. They are all important, but this is an important question. What I mean. When I look at the alternatives, I understand that I have to find equation of a line. Equation of a line. To find the equation of a line, what I need? I need mx plus b. M means slope. Okay? What is slope? Delta y over delta x. What does it mean? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so when you look at this table, this is x1, this is y1. This is x2, this is y2. This is x3, this is y3. This is x4, this is y4. You can use 2 different y values and their corresponding x values in the denominator in order to find the slope. Slope means gradient in UK system. American system says slope, UK system says gradient. Now, I didn't read the question, but it is so clear, obvious, since we saw lots of SAT questions and you saw also, it's clear, but we can read. The table shows the shipping, blah, 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 a linear relationship. Linear relationship means mx plus b. That's enough for us. Which one of the following gives this relationship? How can I do? I need to tell me slope. How can I find? Choose any number, whatever you want. Even first 2 number, even last 2 number, even second and third. Which one is easier for you? Choose it. So for example, let me choose 10, 21.89. It's first point. The second point, 20, 31.79. Okay, so this is y2. This is x2. This is x1. This is y1. If I use the calculator, it will be easier for me. How can I use the calculator? So slope is equal to, let me use the calculator directly. So you see my screen. So calculator will be, oops, there are lots of windows. Okay, 31.79 minus 21.89. So this is equal to 9.9. So 9.9 divided by x2 minus x1, 20 minus 10, which is 10. And what is 9.9 divided by 10? No need calculator, and we can't use the calculator, by the way, 0.99. So I use the calculator, but without calculator, I can do it, right? So in this section, calculator, it's not allowed. So let me show you directly. 99078, no, so 1789, so 0.01, no, so 10 minus 1, 9, so 220, so that's it. 9.90 or just 9.9. Okay, slope is 0.99. Where do you have slope is 0.99? Here? No. Here? No. So the answer is this or this. That's it. Which one? To do this, you should choose any number. For example, this one let us choose, and put it in the given equation. It must satisfy. What does it mean it must satisfy? When x is 10, y must be 21.89. So when I put it 10, dear students, when I put it 10, 0.99 times 10, what will be? F of x will be 9.9. When x is 10, is it 9.9? No, eliminate. So directly answer is B. To be sure, when x is 10, 9.9 plus 11.99. So when I calculate this, how can I calculate? Let's say 9, 0, 9, 18, 2, 9, 11, 21.83. Let's check. Sorry, this is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So 21.89. But do I need this calculation? No. Since I eliminated this, this must be answered. That's it. Just go away directly. Continue. No need to lose time. Okay, question number right now. What is this? Another. The line xy above represents the relationship. Okay, between the height in feet and the base diameter x for cylindrical Doric columns in ancient Greek. This story, forget about this. How much greater? This is important. How much greater? That means I will compare two things. So first thing minus second thing, their difference will be how much greater. One more time, how much greater means as an English grammatically, first thing minus second thing as a question mark. So how much greater is the height of the Doric column that has the base diameter 5? Wait here. When x is 5, since diameter x 5, when x is 5, what is y? Let's go here. What is this? 35. So 35 minus when base is 2. So when base is 2, what is that? 14. So this is the question. 35, how much more than 14? So it is 21. That's the answer. You see now, simple, not difficult. Is this okay? You may ask me if not clear. I can explain one more time. Is this okay? Okay. Now, question number 5. Oh my God. This is, this. So this is now 3 times absolute value of x. But x is greater than 0. That means this is 3x. So the answer is A. I didn't read the question. Directly it comes out. Now, question number 6. When I look at here, I see that factorization directly. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So x squared minus 1 squared is x minus 1 times x plus 1. Divided by x minus 1. Divided by x minus 1. So when I divide, these are, what is left? X plus 1 left. Here, x plus 1 right now. This side, negative 2. So x is negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3. What is the question? Find x. So we found it. Even I didn't read the question. Why? They can't ask anything else. They will ask what is x. But to be sure, sometimes they may do tricky things. They may ask x squared. They may ask 2x. They may ask x minus 1. At the end, always check the original question. I mean, the last part of the question. What are they asking? Question number 7. The graph given, what is f of 0? Oh my God, so simple. F of 0, what does it mean? When x is 0, what is y? It means. So look at x is 0 here. When x is 0, what is y? Let's go up. What is that? 4. That's it, finished. Okay? Passing. Oh, so simple. What is the question? Find 3x. And what I know, this is totally, isn't it 90 degrees? Why? Since this is 90, this notation means 90. This must be 90. So this is coming x plus 2x plus 2x. So 90 is 5x. So what should I find? 3x. So divided by 5, it will be x. Multiplying by 3, it will be 3x. So 3x will be 270 divided by 5, which is 5, 5, 25. 25, 4. So 54 it should be. 3x is 54. That's it. Okay. 9. Which of the following is the equation of the line? Simple. I can even give the theoretical one, but no need. Use the test technique. What is the test technique? What is the test technique? When x is 0, what is y? -4. When x is 0, y is -4. Just try it. When x is 0, what is y? +4, right? -y is -4 means y is +4. So this cannot be. Eliminate. When x is 0, what is y? -4. This could be, but do not jump directly. Why? When x is 0, y is -4. This could be. When x is 0, y is 4. No. So answer is C or D. Which one? Take another number. When x is -4, y is 0. So when x is -4, y is 0. Put it now. So let me clean. When x is, we said -4. So put it -4 here. -4. So -4 minus y is 4. So -4 minus 4 is y. Y is -8. Is this -8? No. So this is not answer. That means answer is C. To be sure, instead of x -4 plus y is -4, how could it be this is correct if y is 0? We said y is 0. When x is -4, y is 0. There is theoretical one. I can do this, but in SAT, no need. Just use this way. Okay? Now, the graph is given. The graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 2. Okay. What is the value of k? Do you have any idea? Just do it. When x is 0, y is k?
Is the y-intercept.
Yeah, put it 0, 0, so 12. Finished. Isn't it? 2 times 0 squared plus 10 times 0 plus 12, which is 12. When x is 0, go up, y is k. So k is now 12. Finished. Nothing else. 11. A circle. Wait, when you say circle, the rule is this. X minus x0 squared, y minus y0 squared is equal to r squared, where x0 comma y0 is center. Now, it says that center is 5 comma 7. Very good. So put it here 5, put it here 7. Radius is 2, so put it here 2. Which of the following equation? Look at where do we have? X minus 5, y minus 7? Yes, that's it. This is the answer. Since this is x plus 5, this is x minus 5. Eliminate. X minus 5, y minus 2, but this is 2 squared, not 2. Eliminate. X plus 5, it must be x minus 5. Eliminate. So the answer is at the beginning. That's it. Okay? Now, question number 12. What is that? It says that in the triangle similar, very good. In the triangle similar, what is the value of cosine of A? Oh my God. Look at now. Look at now, dear students. If these two things are similar, we have corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What does it mean? It means that opposite of the corresponding angles, we have the similar sides. When you look at this figure, first of all, this is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So it will be 13K. Since they are similar, we use ratios. If this is 12, 90 degrees, so something 90 degrees, and opposite of 13 here, opposite of 13, this is 12K. And then opposite of this, 5, so opposite of this, 5K. So what is cosine of E? Cosine means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 12K divided by 13K, which is 12 over 13. So the answer is B. Even you can use here. When you calculate this cosine, 12 over 13, since these two things are similar, this angle also here same. If 60, 60, 30, 30, 40, 40, same. And that means when you calculate here the cosine, you are calculating as well as cosine here. So the answer is 12 over 13. Now, if xy plane function has two x-intercepts. Stop here. Two x-intercepts. Good. That means two roots. What is the distance between x-intercepts? So I should find the intercept. How can I find the intercept? Factorization. 1 times 4, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. That means x plus 1 times x plus 4, I can factorize 0. X is -1, x is -4. So what is the difference between them? So if this is -1, sorry, -4. If this is -1, what is the difference? -2, -3, -4. Difference is 3 units, isn't it? Yes or no? Or yes. -1 minus -4, -1 plus 4, so which is +3. You can say, but better. That's it. Now, what are all values of x satisfy the given equation? 1 and 9. Just put it. Just put it. 1. When you put instead of x1, 4 is equal 1 minus 3. 2 is equal -2. No. So 1 is not solution. So you see now, direct result is finished. But to check, 2 is 9. So 4 times 9 is root 36, which is 6. So 9 minus 3, which is 6. 6 equals 6, of course. So the answer is only 2. Finished. 15. In the system of equation, A is constant. For the which following does the system have no solution? What does it mean, no solution, guys? Let me tell you. If two lines are parallel, like this, do they have intersect to each other? If two lines are parallel, do they intersect to each other? No. So how can I say the lines are parallel if slopes are equal to each other? How can it be slopes are equal to each other? The slope is here, y is equal to 6 plus 3x. Here, 2y is equal to 4 minus ax, which is y is equal to 4 over 2 minus a over 2x. So this is now slope. This is now slope. So if slopes are equal, they are parallel. If they are parallel, there is no intersection. That means there is no solution. So negative a is equal to negative a over 2. So a is equal to a over 2. That means a is equal to 2a. And how could it be a is equal to 2a? Did I make any mistake? Let me check from the beginning. Okay. And there is also another way. There's also another way. There's also another way. But now I don't want to use the another way. If by using the another way, the result is directly -6 should be. Okay, we can even say, okay, guys, let me tell you. When this is 1, this is 2. When this is -3, if this is -6, look at now. -3x plus y is equal 6. -6x plus 2y is equal 4. So when I simplify this by 2, it will be -3x plus y is equal to. Be careful now. This is 2, this is 6. Isn't it contradiction? It is wrong. That means empty set. When this is possible, if a is -6, it is finished. But maybe you can confuse this. So I want to use the classical way. I hope I am not doing any mistake. Let me use the classical way. Classical way is this. If two lines are parallel, they do not have any point in common. It means no intersection. It means no solution. So how can I find how can I say two things are parallel? If line D is parallel to line K, rule is this: slope of line D must be equal to slope of line K. So what is the slope? Slope means this. Slope means this. Y is equal to mx plus b. For example, y is equal to x plus 10. Here, this is slope before the x. So I should express y alone. Y is equal to 3x plus 6 when I take the 3x here. And here, 2y is equal to negative ax plus 4, but I need only y. So division by 2, division by 2, y is equal to negative a over 2x plus 2. So how can I make it slopes are equal? A slope here 3, slope here negative a over 2. So they are equal. And then cross product 6 is negative a, so a is negative 6. So as I told you before. But the other way, test technique, from 1 to 2y double, so double, which is negative 6, but double 12. So if I am doubling everything, but right side it's not doubling, which is being 2 times, it will be 8, 6, 6 and 12, I mean, but I don't have this one, so it will be wrong. But you can use this logic slope way, you can use, okay, enough. Question number, oops, let's go now, 16. What can we do? A manufacturer ship units of certain product to locations. The equation above shows the total ship cost. So this is cost. In dollars, shipping C units to the closer location and shipping F units to the further location. And for the close one, we are multiplying by 5. For the long distance, we are multiplying by 12. It's okay, normal. If the total cost, shipping cost 47,000, so let me write 47,000 total cost, and 3,000 units were shipped. What does it mean? 3,000 units were shipped for the farther location. So for the farther means this is farther. So that means 12 times 3,000 plus 5 times C. Probably it is asking what is C. Let's see. How many units were shipped to the closer? Yeah, it is asking to us what is C. How can we find it? So 3 to 12, 36, 0, 0, 0, 5C. So 47, 0, 0, 0. Take this number other side, it will be 11,000, I think, right? It will be 11,000. 11,000 is 5C. So C is equal to 11,000 divided by 5, which will be, what will be 2 times 5, 10, 10, 5, 2, is this 0, 0, yeah, 2,210. So answer is 2200, that's it. Okay, so here, what are you going to do? You will write here 2200, it was 2200, so 2200, that's the answer of the question. Okay. Now, 17, if A and B are the solutions, solution means when you solve the question for X, it is being solution, or it satisfies the equation, let's say. A and B are the solution to the equation above. What is the A minus B? What can I do? If these are solutions, I can put it in the equation. It must be satisfied. Is this okay? One more time. If A is solution, when I put it here, it must be satisfied. If B is solution, when I put it here, it must be satisfied. 2A plus 1 is 5. 2B plus 1 is 5. So what can I say? I can say this one. 2A plus 1 is 5 means 2A plus 1 is 5, or 2A plus 1 is negative 5. There are two answers. There are two cases. So 2A is, one is take the other side 4, which is A is 2, or take the 2A, take the one other side negative 6, so A is negative 3. I mean, there are two cases. A could be 2, or A could be negative 3. Since we don't know what is A, it's not given, there are two alternatives. Same thing for B, I will solve. So 2B plus 1 is 5, 2B is 4, B B is 2, or 2B plus 1 is -5, 2B is -6, B is -3. So B is 2 or -3. So what is the question? Find A minus B. Let me clean now. A minus B. What could it be? Pardon, where we are. So 1 minute. I will share again. Desktop. It was on the PowerPoint right here. Why it's closed? Okay, anyway, yeah. Do you remember what was the A and B? What we said, 2 and -3 it was? It was this? Yes, this one.
Yes, it was.
So what will be now A minus B? Ignore. What will be A minus B? It's so simple. If A is 2, B is 2, it could be 0. If A is 2, B is -3, it could be 5. Why? Negative, negative, positive, 2 plus 3, 5. If A is -3, B is 2, result is still 5. If A is -3, B is, tell me, -3, negative and negative, positive 3, it will be 0. I mean, the answer is 0 or 5. That's it. If A and B are both solutions above, what is the value of A minus B? So there are two solutions. The answer is 0 or 5. Now, let's talk about 18. Let's talk about 18. What is this? John purchased an antique that had value of 2,000 at the time of purchase. So we are given this amount at the beginning. Each year, the value of the antique is estimated to increase 10%. So that means 1.01 is the rate. Each year, we are multiplying with this thing. The estimated value of the antique in dollars 2 years after purchase can be represented by the expression 200. After 2 years. So imagine, first year, 200. Since 10% increase, what will be 10% increase? It means 200 times 1.01, which is 20 means this one, 2 times 101. It will be 202. Is it okay? Did I make any calculation mistake? I don't think so. Is it okay or not? Okay. But it says 10% increase. What is the 10% of this? This is 20. This is 20. So 10%. So it must be 210. Why this is 210? It must be 210. Okay, let me explain like this. 1 minute. It says that I bought something 200, and then it says that each year the value of the antique is estimated to increase 10% over its value to the previous year. So after the first year, what will be? It will be original amount plus 10%. What is the 10% of this? It is 20, right? So amount will be 220 after first year. After the second year, what will be? 220 is, which is in my hand. So after the second year, 220 plus 10% of this. What is the 10% of this? 10 over 100 is this, 22, which will be, it will be 242 when I add them. 220, 242. Okay, after the second year. Now, 2 years after the purchase can be represented by the expression 200. This result, which is 242, could be expressed by this, where A is constant. What is the value of A? What is the A? So what will be? 242 divided by 200 is the A. So it will be, tell me, simplified by 21 divided by 100, which is 1.21. This is the answer of the question, 1.21. That's it. The answer of the question is 1.21. I hope it is clear. There is formula normally, you know, there is formula, but I didn't want to use the formula directly. We did this by using this way. Okay, question number 19. It says that based on the system of the equation, what is the 5x plus 5y? First of all, 5x plus 5y means 5 times x plus y also. I can say this. Okay, how can I solve this question? Let me think. 2x, 3x. Oh, so simple. If I add them side by side, what will be? 2x plus 3x, 5x. 3y plus 2y, 5y is equal to 2,500. So forget about this. 5x plus 5y, 5x plus 5y, this amount finished. Just we add side by side. Okay, that's it.